Welcome everyone. Today we are going to practice with expected values and lotteries. And for this we are going to start with this exercise. So you draw one card from a standard deck of playing cards. If you pick a heart, you will win $10. If you pick a face card, which is not a heart, you win $8. If you pick any other card, you lose $6. Do you want to play? And explain why. Now, these are kind of exercises for game theory related with expected values with lotteries. Okay, lottery. We'll see it's a particular case of a random variable which refers to money. Okay, so first of all, what we need to know is that a standard deck of playing cards has 52 cards. Now, they are divided in 4 suits, which will be clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. And each suit has 13 cards. 10 of them are number cards. 3 of them are face cards. To do this exercise, the first thing is to define the variable. Okay, so we will call the variable L, and we define it as money you win. Okay, so if the variable is the money you win, the probability function for this specific variable will be 13 over 52 if L is equal to 10, because they told us that if you pick a heart, you will win $10. So L is the amount of money you win. And the situation is that you pick a heart. To get a heart, the favorite outcomes are 13, because there are 13 hearts in a 52 card deck. So those are the 13 are the favorable outcomes, and the total outcomes are 52. So that's why the probability is 13 over 52. Now the next option is that we win $8, and that will happen if you pick a face card which is not a heart. Now, how many faces cards? This is again a favorable outcomes divided by possible cards, possible total number of outcomes. Again, the total number of outcomes is 52, and in this case the favorable outcomes would be to pick a face card, which is, we have 3 faces in each suit, and we have 4 suits, so it's 3 times 4, so this is 12, and since we don't include the hearts, we need to subtract 3, so this will be 12 minus 3, which is 9. That's why we have here 9 over 52 for L equal 8, which is the money you win. Now, the last option will be if you pick another card, and the leftover of cards would be 52 minus 13, which are the cards you picked in the very first case. These were the hard ones, I mean the cards which were hard. Second option was the faces except for the hearts, which are 9, so that's why you subtract 13 minus 13 and 9, and you subtract it from 52, and those are the favorable outcomes, and that we need to divide by 52, and this gives us a result of 30/52, and this will be the probability for this random variable. Now, what we want to find out is the expected value, and the expected value is the mean. The mean for a variable will be, as you can tell, in this particular case, 10, so the value of the variable times the probability. Again, plus the value of the variable times the probability, plus the value of the variable times the probability, and computing this we get 22/52, which is 0.4. The exact value will be 0.42. Okay? Now, the question in this exercise is, do you want to play? And the answer is yes, you want to play, because the expected value in the long run would be 0.42. That means that you expect to get more than 0. So if you expect to get more than 0, you expect to win. Now, that's the point here, that if you get more than 0, you want to play the game. So that's what the exercise was, and that's all I want to show you today. Bye.